Today we'll be making crispy peri peri French fries and the classic Batata Bhajia Pao. So let's get started. We'll start by first peeling the potatoes for a French fries. I have selected 4 firm, large and long potatoes from the lot I have. High starch potatoes are the best for French fries since they are dense and have the least amount of moisture in them. So when you go shopping, ask your vegetable vendor to give you old potatoes rather than new or immature potatoes. Now cut the potatoes in 5 to 6 long slices. Then lay them flat and cut them into medium-sized finger-sized sticks. Now place these fingers into a bowl and soak them in chilled water for at least 2 to 3 hours. This is the most important step to make perfect French fries. As you place these potatoes in a bowl, you can see the water has started turning cloudy. This will help release all the starch of the potatoes. In turn, would make extra crispy golden fries. Now I'll boil some water. Add salt and sugar and make a solution out of it, and transfer these potato fingers into this solution. Now try to wipe out all the extra moisture from these potatoes. Dab it with a tissue or a kitchen towel, anything, whatever you have. It's really hot now. Just let them cook till the time the potatoes are cooked from inside. It seems the potatoes are cooked now. I will strain them. Now remove all the excess oil from these potatoes and store them into the deep freezer. When they're chilled, you can fry them whenever you want. Now they have been frying for a good 4 to 5 minutes and they have started to turn golden brown. Exactly the color I was looking for. All the moisture has gotten locked into these fries. That sugar and salt, especially the sugar, does that magic trick. Now I'll be tasting these gorgeous fries. Wow. If you want to make some amazing and awesome peri peri fries at home, this is the recipe. You got to try this. We are now going to prepare recipe number 2. For the green chutney, I have taken 25 grams of fresh coriander, 8 green chilies, 8 cloves of garlic, approximately 20 fresh mint leaves, and a tablespoon of salt. Add some water and grind them to a fine paste. I've gotten a really beautiful color, and that smell, that garlic, that mint, this will give a really good kick to the bhajia paos. Red chili garlic chutney is my favorite of them all. I've taken 1 ripe tomato, 1 whole garlic, 5 whole red chilies, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt. I'll coarsely chop the tomatoes and toss it all into the blender, add a dash of water and blend again. It makes the most boring dishes come alive with life. I use it with Maggi, dalia or soups. The most important step to make this chutney almost perfect is tempering the blend with hot mustard oil. This process cooks the rawness of the chutney and gives that amazing smoky flavor to it. We'll start by peeling the potatoes again. I have taken rounder potatoes compared to the longer ones. This would make some beautiful slices of these potatoes. So I would start by slicing and then make really thin slices here. I'll transfer these potatoes into the cold water, and in the meantime let's prepare the batter for these bhajias. I've taken 150 grams besan or the Bengal gram flour, 2 tablespoons ajwain or carom seeds, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 50 grams rice flour, 1 tablespoon salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add some water and give this mixture a good mix until you can find no lump into this mixture. This is the consistency I'm looking for. I will take these potatoes, dip in one by one. Try to make the batter as thick as possible. This would help in forming a good crust on these potatoes. They've started to get crunchy. The bhajias are almost done, and now when these will go into these paos, they would be delightful. Now make some slits into these chilies, and I will be frying these chilies now into the hot oil. Get the paos, and we would start assembling the bhajia paos together. I cannot wait to dig into these amazing heavenly snacks. Now it's presentation time. The bhajias are so crispy, and the chutney, the red chutney and the mint chutney, what a combination this is. I'm gonna load some red chutney here. Wow. This is what dreams are made of. Wow. Fries. Oh. My mouth is on fire, and wow. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. If you like the recipe, the whole description of the recipes are available in the description box below. This was an absolutely amazing experience. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on my channel. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.